The food eaten within an hour or two after a person wakes up in the morning is called breakfast. The food eaten around midday, usually between 11 a.m. and 3 a.m. is called lunch. The combination of breakfast and lunch eaten usually during the late morning, but it can extend to as late as 3 p.m. is called brunch. The light meal eaten in the late evening as early as 7 p.m. or as late as midnight is called supper. A meal served in the airplane is called airline meal. A large format elaborate meal with many guests and dishes is called banquet. A meal at which often meat or fish is cooked out of doors on an open fire is called barbecue. The meal that involves patrons serving themselves from food placed in a public area is called buffet. A gathering of people where each person or group of people may contribute a dish of food to be shared amongst the group is called potluck. An outdoor meal where one brings his food such as sandwich or prepared meal, sometimes in a basket, is called what? Tell me on the comment section.
Pass on.